Sectioning. Section the hair in 5 sections. Section a side parting from the temple to the highest point of the head and create a triangle next to the side part. Section the part underneath the triangle on the side. Section the other side. Section the nape area in 2 sections. Step 1. Start with the section on the left in the back. Take diagonal backward sections. Comb the hair and twist the hair, then cut with a point cut. Step 2. Cut the contour line in the nape diagonal backwards. Step 3. Repeat technique throughout section. Step 4. Mirror this technique on the other side. Step 5. Release the sides. Take diagonal forward partings. Comb the hair perpendicular to the parting. Step 6. Connect to the shortest length behind the ear with a point cut technique. Mirror this technique on the other side. Step 8. Release the triangle in the front. Overproject the hair to the sides and punt cut on the desired length. Step 9. Section a triangle at the crown. Use a strong point cut to soften the ends. Finish cut.